Hi guys, welcome to day 3 of my 31 days of posting videos on YouTube about decluttering and organizing this January. I'm Jess Marcy. I'm a professional organizer located in upstate New York, and today's video is about an underlying principle of organization that applies to everyone's home. It's actually the correct way to store all of the items that you have. And it's a concept that you need to embrace before you can move forward on your decluttering and organizing. And I say it's the correct way because there actually, in my opinion, is a right way and a wrong way to organize your house. And organization is super simple, you know, but when you read articles in magazines or you see these things pop up on the internet, these hacks and all of that, most of the time the information is wrong and they're not giving you any basic information about how to actually get started and how to apply organization to your home in any home anywhere. So I'm trying to kind of demystify the whole thing and set my clients on the right track with the correct information. So there's one right way to organize the items in your house, in every single house, and that is by collection of items, by category. So I use the word collection or category kind of interchangeably, but basically I'm referring to all like items together. So all of your sneakers would be a category or a collection. And I use the term collection because I have an archival science background, and so we work in collections, and in home organizing it's categories. So just excuse that little collection or category, whatever I happen to say moving forward. So there's two really important reasons why we organize everything by category in your home. The first one is that it prioritizes your sanity, and the second one is that it helps you develop the skill set that you need to determine what is most important to you. So to prioritize your sanity, I want you to think about unloading a dishwasher, right? So in every home, there's actually one category of stuff that is always in the same location, and that's everyday dishes and silverware. So think about yourself unloading the dishwasher. You take the plate out and you know exactly where that plate goes because it only goes in one spot and it goes with all the other plates that are just like it in that one location. Or the same thing with your butter knives or your forks. You know, it's a task that you do without having to think too much about it. So it's just a routine task and you're not spending those little seconds figuring out where something goes away, unless you're my husband and you're unloading a dishwasher and you have no idea where anything goes. But in general, when you're unloading a dishwasher, you're taking an item and you're putting it with its category in one location and you're not thinking about it. So it's easy, it's mindless. But think about other stuff in your house when you go to clean up, and you know, maybe it's your sneakers. They are often stored at the front door, but they should really go in your closet, but there's not enough room in your closet, so they just get tossed on the floor in the closet or tossed next to your bed. Or you're just not sure maybe where to put them away, so you put them in the hallway closet. So then you get up and you decide you're going to go for a run, and you have to spend, 10, 15, 20 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes looking for your sneakers that are typically by the front door, but then you put them away and you're not sure if you put them in the hallway closet or in your bedroom closet. So you just spend these little extra seconds every day trying to find something because it doesn't have a home and doesn't live with all the other items that are just like it. And so you don't know where to put it away, and then you don't know where to find it. And this is what makes people feel insane in your house. So you want to broadly apply this organizing by category to everything in your home. You want to apply it to, your home office supplies should all be stored together in just one location. Your winter hats should all be stored together in just one location. Your electronics and the cords that go with them should all be stored together in just one location. Your DVDs should all be stored together in just one location. Puzzles, children's toys, etc. Everything should be stored with its category in just one location. Occasionally, we have, there are different people in your house that have the same category of stuff. So like, for example, my kids each have a desk in their bedroom. So they have their own set of office supplies. But even within their own desks with their own office supplies, their office supplies are stored by category. So all of their pencils are in a little bin, because I can't tell you how many times they say to me, even though they know exactly where they are, I can't find a pencil. Well, go look in the one location that pencils are stored in your bedroom, and I guarantee you're going to find a pencil right there. And what do you know? That's where the pencils are. They're in the pencil bin, because it's the only place that pencils go in your bedroom. So sometimes you would categorize by personal items, person first, and then still though maintain the categorizing by organizing by category. My words are getting all messed up here. So that's one way that you're maintaining your sanity, because you have a whole collection of stuff all together, a whole category of stuff all together in just one location in your house. So you know where it goes and you know where to find it. So even if you don't pick up after yourself every single day, you only do it when somebody's coming over for company, when you're putting that stuff away, you know exactly where it goes, so then you know where to find it the next time you're looking for it. So that's one reason that we organize by category. Okay, so the second reason that we organize by category is because part of the decluttering and organizing process, a huge part of it, is figuring out what should be a part of your life today. So oftentimes we're embarking on this journey because we have this idea that we would like to have a more intentional lifestyle. Maybe we would like to change our habits a little bit, change our shopping habits, but we don't know where to start. And this is really a function of our society today. We have so much stuff that we can so easily get. We have so much choice. And having so much choice is paralyzing. It makes it difficult for us to decide what we like the most and choose the best thing for us. So imagine that you're going to change your shampoo. So you go to Target or Walmart or the grocery store and you're looking at all of the options for shampoo. And there's, hundreds. You have hundreds of choices, right? In one grocery store, you have hundreds of choices for, maybe not hundreds, but you have a lot of choices for what shampoo you can choose to use. And it's paralyzing, all of that choice. It's hard to say that if this shampoo is going to be better than that shampoo. So you kind of give up and just pick the cheapest one, or the one that seems like it's your hair type, or, whatever it is. Because we have so much choice in our society today, it's hard for us to know ourselves. It's hard for us to determine what is most important to us, what we love the most when it comes to our possessions. So when you organize all of your stuff that you have in your house by category, it makes it easier for you to compare one thing to a like item that you have. So back to the sneaker example. Let's say you're a runner or a walker or whatever. You have 3 or 4 pairs of sneakers. Your sneakers are in 3 or 4 different locations in your house. You have one pair that you really don't like, but they're always by the front door, so you end up wearing them the most. You have another pair that you really like, but you don't store it in the same location all the time, so you don't know exactly where it is, and you're just running out to walk the dog, so you just put on the pair that you don't like. If you have those sneakers always stored with each other, it's much easier to look at the one that you don't like compared to the one that you do like and realize how much more you like the one that you like, and how that there's no reason to have this other one that doesn't really feel good on your feet in your life, because you know where the ones that you like are going to be. So I feel like I'm kind of digressing here and maybe not making this point in the best way that I possibly can. But basically, when you have everything in one category that you own in front of you, it's much easier to evaluate how much you like something because you can compare it to all of the other like items that you own. And then it's easier to figure out what you can let go of, what you love and want to have more of in the future. It just creates a better system to evaluate what is important to you. And this is a basic skill set that we have kind of lost. You know, we shop now out of habit instead of out of necessity. We typically don't put a ton of thought into something. No, maybe sometimes we do. But when it's in your house, and you have a lot of other things in that same collection, decluttering becomes overwhelming because you don't know where to start. So this gives you a baseline. You have your whole collection, your whole category of stuff, and you can say, now, I like, you can test this pen. I like writing with this pen better than I like writing with that pen because you have all of your pens there in front of you. And then you can choose which one gets to stay. So those are the two big reasons for organizing everything that you have in your house by category. So it's easier to find stuff, it's easier to pick up and put things away, and it's easier to evaluate what you love and what you need because you can see everything that you have all at once in one category. So that's my video for today. I subscribe to my channel because I'm posting one video every day in January, and I think that if you watch all of these videos, by the end of January you will have every tool and every skill and every concept that you need to declutter and organize your house without a problem. So like these videos, share these videos, do that whole YouTube thing, and check back tomorrow, subscribe so you can see tomorrow's video. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.